Begin a new chapter and create a lifestyle you love in this beautiful arts and craft home overflowing with quality and attention to detail. This amazing property is nestled in an upscale community, surrounded by mountain views and an extra buildable lot that's included. Every inch of this property has been meticulously cared for, making this home still feel like new. Inside, you'll discover easy one-level living and superb features that include a stunning open floor plan, bathed in natural light, soaring ceilings, and a cozy fireplace in the great room. Enjoy a high-end kitchen with granite counters and stainless steel appliances. Step right out to the covered, screened-in back porch that overlooks an expansive backyard. The master suite is luxurious. The ensuite bathroom includes separate sinks, a custom tiled walk-in shower, and his and her closets. This home boasts a split bedroom design with 2 bedrooms and a guest bathroom on the other side of the home. There are double garages and driveways, one on the main floor and one in the large unfinished basement, with lots of possibilities. If you're looking for a special place to call home, then 3 Cedar Bluff Court may be just what you're looking for.